Meet the world's thinnest e-ink tablet, just 4.2 millimeters thin, lighter than your phone, and smarter than any notebook you've ever used. This is the iFLYTEK AINOTE 2, the first AI-powered e-ink tablet that's actually redefining how we work, study, and create. Built by iFLYTEK, the brand that's already won awards like Red Dot, IF Design, and launched globally at GITEX in Dubai. And now, it's aiming for a Guinness World Record as the thinnest e-ink tablet ever made. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. In the box, you get the AINOTE 2 itself, the Wacom-powered stylus, and a beautifully minimal setup. The first thing you'll notice? It's insanely thin and light, just 4.2 millimeters thick, 295 grams, and still manages to pack a 10.65-inch crisp e-ink display at 300 ppi. Imagine your notebook could talk back. With AINOTE 2, it can. From real-time AI chat, to instant meeting minutes, to writing assistance, all powered by ChatGPT. Circle a sentence, and it instantly searches or expands it into a full article. Ultra slim, ultra portable, but still powerful. You get a 4,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts for weeks. Yes, weeks. An endurance that puts most tablets to shame. This display refreshes so fast, it can even play video at 22 frames per second. Handwriting latency? Less than 20 milliseconds, meaning it feels just like pen on paper. And with the professional EMR pen, every stroke feels natural, balanced, and precise. Record a meeting and get instant transcription in 15 languages. Link your notes directly to tasks and sync with your calendar. Search by keyword, even if it's handwritten. This isn't just note-taking, it's workflow automation in your hands. And when you're done working, it doubles as your personal e-reader. Split-screen notes while reading, translate text in real time, and even sketch out mind maps. Over 80 note templates make it your perfect study or creative companion. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, the AINOTE 2 adapts to your day. It's lighter than an iPad, smarter than a notebook, and lasts longer than both. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The AINOTE 2 is now live on Kickstarter. Links in the description. Be among the first to own the thinnest e-ink tablet in the world. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.